In this video, I will show you step by step how you can save Canva design as PDF just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. Let's get started. So what you need to do, just go to your design that you want to save. So this is my design that I want to save as a PDF. So what I will do, you just need to click on share. Okay, click on share, scroll down, click over here on download. Okay, and what you need to do next, click over here, you should see file tape. Okay, click on file tape and make sure to choose a PDF. Okay, click on PDF like this. Okay, then click over here on download. Okay, and your design will be download as a PDF to your laptop. Okay, it's really easy and simple. So that's how you can save your Canva design as a PDF. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.